It's just about the Rogan shot if you have questions about it.
Oh man, I got the hiccups.
These two are your medicines. Your Motrin is the great big one. It's every 8 hours. I'll change the time I gave it to you on the board. And this one's your Colace. It's twice a day. Once in the morning, once at night. It's not a laxative, but it's a softener the first time you use the bathroom and have a belly.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe that. Oh, that is so cute.
Oh, you're being such a little show off.
Mm-hmm.
You can only see, like, what is it, like 28 inches or something?
Here we are with Grandma, getting his first fingernails cut.
That's right. Just filing these things down a little bit. You're being so like, good.
I'm ready for my manicure.
Hey, don't let them talk about you like
not.
that.
No,
Boys don't get manicures.
No, they don't. We're just
You're too tough.
filing these down because we can't cut them. Not.
Mom. Mom. Mommy. 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 Mom. 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 Mommy. 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 Mommy.
He's like,
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Mom. Hey, Mom. Mom. Hey, Mom. 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 Hey, Mom. 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 Mom.
hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. I love you. I love you. Oh, goodness. Just wiggling around. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hey, can you see me? Oh. Oh. Oh, goodness. Hey. Hi. Neat. Hi. Oh. I love you. Hello, baby. Oh, yeah. Are you so happy? Are you
happy baby? Are you a happy baby? Are you a happy baby? Okay, Jason, this is totally disgusting, but I have to let you know how well this nose Frida worked. Okay, I don't know where the camera. Oh, that just came. Both of those two gigantic boogers just came out of Nathan's nose. I figured out how to finally use it. Look how awesome that is. And now he can breathe. Love you, Dad. Hi. Nate, hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, you like tummy time when you're propped up, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you do. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I need to. I need to. Hi. Hi, Nathan. Hi, Nathan. How's my boy? How's my little boy? How's my little boy? Hi. Hi, Nathan. Hi. Hi, Nathan. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh, I love you, Nathan. Yeah. Is it time for bed? Is it time for bed?
Oh, cute. We decided to get this little thing out because Nate loves to look. And he really likes it. Uh-oh. 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 Gotta fix it. You know what to start today. Come on. You know what to start today. Come on. It's so big, Nate. Oh. See, I like to just jump. Oh, goodness. Oh, let's look at you in the mirror. Look at yourself in the mirror, Nathan. Oh. Oh, you're so handsome. So handsome. I love you. Here's Nate. He's upset now, but he really does like to play. Look at that. Look at you, buddy. Are those so cool? Okay. I love you.
Hi, cute boy. Hi, cute boy. Hello. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Boo. Boo. Oh, what is it, Nathan?
Oh, you seen the toys on top?
What is it? A peekaboo. A peekaboo. A peekaboo.